How's it going out there, K County Accountability? Coming at you guys today, just giving you an update of what happened yesterday. I was supposed to have a motion hearing or whatever on Monday. However, the courthouse flooded out, and I don't understand that because it fucking took 3-4 years to remodel that fucking thing, and then the first good rain we get, it fucking floods out. I believe Rick Scott Construction is the one that was, him and another company that was responsible on the remodeling of the courthouse, and in which obviously it was a waste of county money, but whatever, not my problem. Guys, I went to court yesterday, dressed up, everything, ties, for 15 minutes of, it was stupid. It was absolutely it was a waste of fucking time. They changed out the prosecutor, so it's no longer Brian Hermanson himself. It's this young prosecutor that never worked with Judge Wilkie as a DA, and so they don't have to remove Judge Wilkie by doing this. However, my complaint still went in because of the 2019 case that he convicted me of, which any reasonable judge that wasn't biased because the prosecutor was his former coworker would have seen the video showed that I was assaulted, and you can't obstruct an officer when the crime's being committed against you. You know, you're being assaulted. How do you obstruct an officer from arresting the person assaulting you? I don't understand it. Any reasonable judge, any judge that wasn't buddy-buddy with the prosecution and stuff, in which Judge Wilkie admits, like, if I can get the fucking transcript, he states, we can't get him on trespassing, but I'll get him on obstruction. Like, fucking really? That doesn't show unbiased. That shows straight up bias and conflict right there in that fucking statement. And that's why they won't release the transcripts to me, because they know it will confirm it. But I can state Judge Wilkie and the DA's office has not heard from the Council on Judicial Conduct nor the Attorney General's office yet. Both of them admitted to that. So meaning that investigation is still ongoing. So we're going to see what happens on that. However, I did hear from my attorney today, which Jared Stevenson actually kind of impressed me yesterday in the way he, argued with the prosecutor and stuff, like, on different, because they want to make it to where I can't testify. And then they want to try to take out in my videos where I talk about case law in my video, which Jared Stevenson actually told that there's no way you can fucking do that. I state it too much. Because they're trying to say it's not my interpretation of the law, it's the judge's. No, it's what the case law states is what it fucking is, you stupid fuck. But I did hear from my attorney today. It's not official that they dropped the charges yet, but he said most likely that the 2 September charges where the videos are on my channel are most likely they're not going to proceed on charges of those. And so they're only going to come after me on the May charge, which I don't have the video because they seized my phone when I got arrested at the police department trying to get public records. They arrested me. Well, they let me call my girlfriend at the time to come get my son and to get my phone. Well, when I handed her my phone, gave her possession of my phone, they threatened and intimidated her, never showed her a fucking warrant or anything, and took custody of my phone. And then it took a week before I got it back, in which I still have the warrant and everything that I did not receive until I received the phone back. They did not give my girlfriend at the time the warrant or anything. They threatened and intimidated her to hand it over. And I was being arrested, so there was nothing I could do. But allegedly my attorney said that they don't have anything where they seized my phone. Well, I still have the fucking warrant. I have the paper warrant. So, but most likely they're only going to come after me on the May charge, and which they violate Title 51 in that one. I marked on the public records request to review the records I wanted, and not to pay a copy fee, but to review. Well, the reason the whole argument that on that day, May 13th, that happened is because they wanted me to pay the 25-cent copy because they denied me the records. And I told them, no, I marked review. I just need to take a picture of them, and I'm out. They wouldn't do it. They wouldn't do it. They called the cops. Cop was like, I'll pay the 25 cents and you can have a copy. No. You're not fucking doing it. No, that's not the fucking point here. The point is they have to follow the law. They have to follow what the state of Oklahoma has put out as the law, that we have the right to review the records. And they were trying to deny me that. They were violating a state law. So, that's where this charge comes from. So, we're going to see what happens. We do jury selection on the 19th of this month, and then the trial's supposed to be the 20th. So, you know, basically they're dropping, like from what he was telling me, I mean, it's not official yet. It's not on ODCR that they dismissed the other charges. However, they're most likely only going to come after me for the very first charge. So, I'll keep you guys updated, man. You guys take care out there, and always film the police.